Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to see pending invites on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your pending game invites on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I have already logged into my account. And on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a bunch of items available for us, or menus over here. Hover over your username over here at the top left where my mouse is currently hovering, and you will be able to view your friends option available for us, which is the third one. Click on the friends option over here and you land on this interface, and over here again at the left side of the screen you can see the pending invites option available for us just below the add a friend. Click on pending invites and you will land over here where you will be able to view your received invites as well as the sent invites which are pending on your Steam account. So guys, I have not currently received or sent invites on my Steam account, but in your case, if you have received invites and sent invites which are pending on your Steam account, then they will be shown over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to view your pending invites on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.